Ready for you, how to complete high-quality crimping, special design crimping Plier plus high-quality contacts. High-quality terminals for a wider wire range. The overall hardness of the quenched medium carbon steel is above H or C42, which can guarantee a service life of more than 25,000 times and ensure that the product has stable, crimping performance during the life cycle. Pulling force test. Increase tension, increase tension, increase tension, increase tension, increase tension, increase tension. Very strong and won't break. Let's see how tension we can withstand. The crimp is perfect and not easy to break. Why choose JRready contacts? 1 doesn't crack. Toe, applicable to wider wire range. 3. High standard tensile force. Place the terminal into the crimp groove of the jaws and snap into the positioner. Insert the stripped wire into the terminal of the jaw. You can start crimping until the ratchet is complete. A perfect crimp. We did the insertion and extraction force test, confirm the pin and socket can match perfect. High quality materials, precise front teeth, ensure perfect crimping each time. Lift the positioner slightly to expose the locating hole. Insert the terminal into the hole of the positioner, and make sure it is inserted to the bottom. Close the handle until the terminal is slightly fixed. Put the stripped wire into the terminal and crimp it. Then check the crimping effect. No positioner crimping effect, the terminal becomes bent. Firstly, strip around 5 mm in the end of the wire. Insert the wire terminals into the connector, easily install, and today's job done happily. Use JRready Crimper can save your lots of contacts. It is indeed a perfect combination.